Greetings, Earthlings. We are here today with a very special unboxing, something I'm extremely excited about, and I've been talking about needing for a little bit now because the phone that I got 3 years ago, which is still the top viewed unboxing on my channel, which is crazy, is dying. It's been a struggle. And there have been some issues that have come out with the iPhone 13 since its release that are now known issues, and so, you know, it was time. All that being said, I have in my hot little hands right here a 16 Pro Max, I think it's a Pro Max, in the desert color, and we are gonna unbox it together. I'm very excited. I do have a temporary case. I will probably pick up a purple one because obviously purple's my color, and they didn't have any at the store, but I wanted to have a case on it right away because I don't even want to not have it for like a day or two just in case, because that's always when something happens. So I'm going to change the angle for you guys a little bit and let's unbox this thing. All right, here she is, looking beautiful as always, and this is my favorite part of any unboxing, but especially Apple unboxings. This part's just so satisfying. Ooh, not quite as clean as the other, but that is okay. Beautiful, fresh out the box. The triple little camera thing, loving that. And like I said, I got it in the desert color. So it's kind of like a champagne-y, rose goldy pink. Look at that. And you can see me. This thing is also huge compared to my 13. Crazy. Okay, and it also looks like it comes with a cord, which is a USB-C now. I'm not sure. Yeah, you guys can see that. I don't think it comes with a charging brick, which is a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. However, you win some, you lose some. I'm not mad about it. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. And I like starting totally from scratch, so default, set up without another device. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. It does sit a little sideways because of the 3 cameras on the back. And while it is updating and doing its thing, I will open the case. Oh, that's really nice. It just slides out the bottom. Sweet. Oh, here we go. Yay! Set up for myself. I don't like Face ID. You guys don't get to know my secret passwords. Don't transfer anything. It's got me. Okay, all of the perfect. Continue. Okay, I will probably opt out of most of that. Okay, camera control. Oh, that is awesome. That is extremely helpful for a person like me. Oh, that's new. Okay, so you don't click it or flip it or whatever anymore. Silent and ring, that's kind of cool. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. She's ready. There's my new phone, guys. Amazing. I bet that is from... Holy crap. So I'm gonna have to... Okay. Continue. Okay. Yep. So there's my step-by-step instructions and everything. And we've turned her off. I'm gonna have to obviously change the background. It is a very large phone with a big case. Okay, let's see. How cool is that? And it's 5:55. So we gotta take a screenshot of our time on our watch because it's repeating numbers. We got 5:55 in there. Life is good. And now I just set her up the way that I want to have her set up. I am extremely happy. I think it is absolutely wild, the difference in size between these two devices. You can see my kids. And I have to like re-download all my apps and arrange everything and reorganize, but I am thrilled. I love her. She's beautiful. All right, thanks for unboxing her with me. I will give you guys updates on how much I love my new phone, and I will see you again in my next video. Love you all.